Hi, I'm John Cousins from Calgary, Alberta. The Canadian Tire Tested for Life program sent me the maximum 15 amp Jobsite Table Saw. I've put the maximum 15 amp Jobsite Table Saw to the test by cutting a countertop for a renovation project. This saw features collapsible legs, wheels for making it easy on a job site or around the home. It has an adjustable fence with the turn of a knob and is able to cut nice thick pieces of wood, just over 3 inches. Also, it has a nice big safety switch. I would 100% recommend the maximum 15 amp Jobsite Table Saw to family and friends.